Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 51st program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it. Now we'll type the program. The new thing in this program is how to display frame and use calls attribute. We'll start with HTML tag. Now frame tag. Frame set calls equals to 50%. It divides the column in 50-50 percentage. Windows into frame. Now we'll use frame tag. The frame tag is used in HTML to define one particular window within a frame set. Now we'll end the frame set tag. End HTML tag. Now we'll save it with the extension HTML and in all files. So now let us check the output. So this is the basic output of the program frame and how to use calls attribute. It has divided columns into 50-50 percentage. So this is the basic output, and don't forget to check tags in description to get clear understanding.